Hi guys, quick video today about the performance in the first half of the year of 2023. Um, Everything I did right and everything that I did wrong. Um, Performance pretty good, and we're gonna go into detail and all the uh, stocks that I own. So first half of the year, I'm up 27.32%. And that's in dollar amount 96,117 and 23 cents, which is not bad, but I did make some mistakes. I lost some money on a hedge, which I'll go into detail. I don't regret putting the hedge on at all. It kept me in the game, but I did make some mistakes. Then we're going to go over that in detail. Let me get the disclosures out of the way, and then we'll dig into it. Just remember that this video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk. Only invest the amount of money you can afford to lose and invest at your own risk. The value of investments and the income derived from them can go down as well as up. Future returns are not guaranteed and a loss of principal may occur. The information contained here is not intended to be used as a sole basis of investment decisions, and it is definitely not a recommendation to buy or sell any security. All right, so like I mentioned, first half performance 27.32%, and that's $96,117.23. And like I said, this is definitely pretty good, but let me show you the two charts before we go on. And so 27.2 my account, and you'll see at the bottom of this chart, S&P 500 was up 16.89%. And here's the chart on that. Oh, there you go, guys. Okay, and then here's the amount, the chart of the amount, 96,000 and change, and there's a chart from the beginning of the year. And the obviously holding on to SPXL was, definitely a good thing that I did in this quarter. Buying, I'm not sure when I bought TQQQ, but anyway, holding on to that, it's definitely a good move that I made this quarter. And by a mistake that I made was on the hedging. I was really afraid with the debt ceiling that they were going to run into problems. And so I hedge. Nothing wrong with that. I figure I'll probably lose money on the hedge. That's what the hedge is kind of like buying insurance. Big deal. The mistake that I made, once that got resolved, I should have just gotten out of my hedge. I would have taken losses, but I stayed in it. And I don't know why, and obviously incurred more losses because hedging with a VIX, UVXY and UVIX, which I use, you cannot hold on to those long term. Those are hedges, you're in and out. And so I incurred more losses, afterwards. And so actually I still own them right now. Probably next few week, I'm going to look to get out of them. And I'm hoping, I didn't sell yet because I kept hoping for a good bump up. I mean, the VIX is around $13 range, and I figure probably go up 17, 18, and then at that point I can sell. That hasn't happened, and now I'm probably just going to get out. On losses on those two on the hedge, it's $33,000 losses. It's like I said, it kept me in the game. I don't regret hedging. It's just I shouldn't gotten out, and that's lesson learned for me. I will use them again to hedge. But once the reason I hedge is resolved, then I'm gonna get out right away. And so that's the mistake that I made in this quarter. And then now I'm going to go really fast over the position that I'm holding. So I have very small positions in Lyft and in Tesla. And then Tesla, both of them I'm up. Lyft 5.38%. Tesla, I'm up 130.87%. And then I did a video on why I bought Tesla, and I'm just hoping that that position to pay for the car, I bought a Tesla to pay for it. And the other positions that I own are very small portfolio as far as not having a lot of positions. So I have the two hedges, UVIX and UVXY, and I'm going to show you guys a list of everything. And then my main positions, SPXL, 3 times leverage, S&P 500, and TQQQ. SPXL, I'll probably at some point start taking profits. TQQQ, probably not. That's basically the AI bet, and I really believe in it. It's going to increase productivity, and so I'm going to stick with it probably for a long time. And here is a list of the positions that I'm holding. There you go, guys. Okay, well, this is the video. It's like I said, it's been a good quarter. I'm shooting for a little bit higher, 27%. A lot of people say, okay, I'm going to sell, and that's a really good year. And I'm pretty sure the S&P won't end up more than 27%. So we could sell here and, probably still be the S&P for the year. But I'm shooting for a little bit more. It's not greed. I think it's just staying long term. I will, in SPXL, I will eventually start taking some profits. And, but that's just the game plan, to stick with it, take some profits, and the bigger ones. TQQQ, I'm up TQQQ 67.01%. But like I said, that one, I wish I would have had a bigger position in that, but I don't, and whatever I have, I'm probably going to stick with it for a long time. Well, thank you guys for your time, and hopefully we'll have an even better quarter coming up and better second half of the year. Have a great 4th, everyone.